Isuzu Giga number 41 Adfield Corporation is the dump truck. Okay. Isuzu Giga number 41 Adfield Corporation. Okay. Good time there. Right problem. Okay. Right problem. Okay. Year on 1997 Giga. Number 41 Adfield Corporation. Okay. Brand new Giga Isuzu. Okay. Good twice. Alright. Number 41 Isuzu Giga. Okay. Right problem. Good time there. Okay. Good time there. Isuzu Giga. Okay. Good time there. Right problem. Okay. It's the Isuzu. Okay. Right problem. Isuzu. Giga number 41. Giga. Good time there. Alright. Dump truck Giga from number 41 Isuzu. Okay. Good time there. Good twice. Yes. Good time there. Isuzu. Good time there. Right problem. Okay. It's the Isuzu. Good time there. Number 41 Adfield Corporation is the Isuzu. Okay. Isuzu Giga number 41. Okay. Okay. Good time there. Okay. Good. Right problem. Good time there. Okay. Isuzu Giga. Good time there. Right problem. Okay. Right problem. Isuzu Giga number 41. Okay. Giga. Right problem. Good time there. Okay. Alright. It's the Isuzu blue dump truck Giga. Okay. Number 41. Giga. Okay. Okay. Good time there. Right, bravo. Isuzu. Alright. Good thing. Number 41. Okay. Adfield Corporation Isuzu. Good time there. Alright. Okay. No choice. Isuzu Giga. Good time there. Right problem. Okay. It's the Isuzu. Alright. Okay. Right problem. Isuzu. Good time there. Okay. Good time there. It's the Isuzu. Okay. Giga number 41. Isuzu. Good time there. It's the Isuzu. Good time there. Okay. Right problem. Good time there. Okay. Isuzu. Good time there. Okay. Good time there. Blue dump truck. Okay. Okay. Right, Peppo. Okay. Okay. Isuzu. Di ka. Okay, 5, 42 and go.